Yo, DJ Cool Herc, man. You got hip hop started in the Bronx way back in the day. Man, let me tell you something about hip hop, man. I just love hip hop, man. Y'all always talking about the music and the cars and the money and yo, hold on, son. Let me stop you right there, all right? Music, yeah, that's hip hop. But cars and the money, that's not hip hop. What do you mean that's not hip hop? That's what they're always talking about on YouTube and TikTok. YouTube, TikTok. Man, forget that stuff, man. They don't decide what hip hop is, man. Hip hop already has its own history. Look, let me tell you what hip hop is, all right? It's the spirit of the urban youth, the voice and mind of those who grew up poor in the city, break, spoke out for those in the slum, gave them something to say, helped them speak to their peers. It appeared for the youth that made something out of nothing, gave them something to do. Kids needed to celebrate, created their own art, expressing themselves. Hip hop comes from the heart. I felt that. I felt that.
The name is hip hop. In '73 I was born. My block body started making noise in the Bronx, New York City. That's where I'm from. Came alive when the music on the block came on.